Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Twisted Paper Studio. This is just a quick Etsy share. I have a few digital kits that I'm putting into my shop and I just wanted to share them with you. I have some collage pages. It's more of a Renaissance feel. There's a tall document style and then there is a regular size journal kit. So these are the pages for them. Aren't they gorgeous? I just love them so much. Here's another page. How beautiful. I love them. I'm so excited about this kit, you guys. I worked on this over Easter. So this is some of the things I did in my free spare time. They're just so beautiful and vibrant. They're vibrant colors. How pretty. I love it so much. I hope you guys will like it too. Here's some more. And then the document style journal kit. It comes in the document style or the regular journal page. And they're identical, you know, just some things are a bit smaller than the other because just, of course, proportion-wise. And here's another page. Isn't it beautiful? So gorgeous. And then there's some writing pages that you can print on the back side and they look so beautiful. Here's what they look like with each other. You know, they look gorgeous. And there's like a creamy color. There's a bluish color. There's two creamy colors, one a little bit darker than the other. There's a pink and then a lighter pink and a darker pink. And then there's a beige. And there is a green. So they're so gorgeous. All of the pages together just look beautiful and yummy. I hope you guys like this. Okay, so let's take a look over here. And then I have some ephemera as well. And I'll be uploading this and putting it into my shop. So if you're seeing this video, I'll put the link in the description box. There's some letters and ephemera, or envelopes and ephemera. And this is also printed out on Epson photo paper, so it's very vibrant. Your prints, let me see what I don't have printed out on Epson. All these are on the Epson photo paper. Let me see if I don't have something. Do I have something over here? I don't know. I thought I maybe had a print. Oh my gosh, there's a big thunderstorm going on outside, you guys. I don't see it anywhere. Let me see if I have it near a printer. Hold on. I don't see it anywhere. No. Okay. I do, actually. So, just to give you a look-see on, have it printed out on photo paper. This is photo paper, and this is like a regular type of like copy paper. Just so it's more vibrant on that photo paper than it is from the regular type. But your printer may be different. It may be different. So I just wanted to give you guys and show you that. The kits will be up in my shop. If you're seeing this video, they'll be up. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye, my crafting buddies. And oh boy, I cannot wait to use this kit. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Bye for now, my crafting buddies.